Welcome back to the deep dive. We are jumping right into the state of AI robotics in 2026, and this isn't the future anymore. It's happening right now.
It really is. Our sources are showing this huge shift away from just, simple programming and toward what they're calling intelligent entities.
Embodied intelligence, that's the term that keeps coming up.
Exactly. It means they're learning on the job in the physical world and the scale. We're talking about a global market that's on track to blow past $200 billion by the end of the decade.
200 billion. That's enormous. So, okay, let's unpack who's really defining this. We have to start with the big one, Boston Dynamics. They've made a really interesting pivot, haven't they?
A huge one. I mean,
Yeah.
they successfully moved from those amazing viral videos to serious industrial use. Their electric Atlas robot, it's now production ready.
So it's not just for show anymore.
Not at all. It's being optimized for dynamic, complex tasks right on the factory floor. And Spot is already out there inspecting hazardous sites, doing things humans just can't do safely. They've really set the bar for performance.
But that performance comes at a price. And now we have these disruptors coming in, making humanoids, well, almost affordable. Unitree Robotics seems to be leading that charge.
They really are. Unitree is being very strategic. They're positioning their G1 humanoid at just $16,000.
16,000. That's a game changer.
It is. They're focusing on cost-effective embodied AI, using things like 4D LiDAR for all-terrain navigation. They're betting on volume.
And speaking of betting on volume,
Yeah.
you can't have this conversation without mentioning Tesla.
Right. Optimus Gen 3, the ambition there is just off the charts. They want to create a general-purpose robot for all the mundane tasks, leveraging those XAI models for reasoning.
And the rumored price is what, $20,000 to $30,000?
Somewhere in that ballpark.
Yeah.
And they're talking about producing thousands of them by the end of the year. It's an audacious goal, to say the least.
It seems like the whole ecosystem is fueling this. I mean, you've got NVIDIA in the background with platforms like GR00T and Jetson Thor.
Yes, and you can't overstate how important that is. Jetson Thor allows for edge inference, letting the robot think for itself right there on the machine without calling home to the cloud. It's critical.
So the innovation is there, the money is there. But this isn't all smooth sailing. Our sources point to some pretty big roadblocks, right?
Oh, the obstacles are substantial. On the technical side, getting reliable dexterity, those fine motor skills, is still profoundly difficult. And power efficiency is a huge limiter.
How much of a limiter are we talking?
Most of these advanced robots are still restricted to, maybe 4 to 8 hours of operation?
That's a huge economic problem. For a normal 8-hour shift, you'd need 2 robots just to cover the work of one person. And for an industrial unit costing over $100,000.
Exactly. The ROI timeline stretches out past 2, maybe 3 years, and that really limits adoption for the small and medium-sized businesses that need this tech the most.
And that's before you even get to the social issues. Workforce displacement is becoming a very real concern.
It's intensifying, especially in manufacturing and warehousing. And it's all happening in this regulatory vacuum. There's no global standard for safety, for liability, for data privacy. It's just a messy patchwork.
That liability point is the big one. Who's responsible when an autonomous system messes up and causes an injury?
Is it the AI? The operator? The manufacturer? The law has no clear answer right now.
And the privacy implications.
Wow. They're enormous. These robots are collecting data constantly, video, audio, you name it, in your workplace, potentially in your home. Without strong governance, they are surveillance tools by default.
So to bring it all together for you, the listener, the 2026 landscape is just this incredible explosion of innovation and commercialization. It's all moving faster than anyone really predicted.
The trajectory is clear, but the outcome is not. And I think that's the final thought here. As these machines get deeper into our lives, the defining choice is whether this technology augments humanity or if, left unchecked, it just widens the divides we already have. That's a conversation for everyone, engineers, policymakers, all of us, and it needs to happen now.